Ladies and gentlemen, we interrupt this program to bring you important news.
6-shooter revolver. This is a spring version. This is not the gas version. These are spring. Really good. I like these a lot. Let's take a look. Good quality box. This comes from UHC. Instructions. A couple of targets. The revolver. Small bag of 0.12 gram blue ammo and 8 cartridges, so magazines, so you're 6 in the gun and 2 spare, which is a really good idea. Let's take a look. Fantastic looking gun. Comes with a dust cover, plug in the end. Just take that out. It's good to keep that in there, put it back when you're finished. Keeps the dust out of the barrel. The hammer is actually the spring. You just pull that back. That's it, so you can see the barrel turn every time. To release the barrel, you just flick that switch there, it pops out. That's really cool. So 8 of these, as I said, 6 of them goes in the gun. Little plastic end here where the BBs just go in. Let's show you that now. 0.12 gram bulldogs. Just slot them in there one at a time. Takes a bit of time, but that's half the fun of it. There you go, 6 shells. When they're loaded, let's put them into the gun. Again, release the barrel. Just simply pop them in one at a time. You might want to make sure that each one is in there, not poking out. In there really well. Just because the get better distance and accuracy if they're flush. Close that up. Set the gun. Good distance, good accuracy. Not bad power. And we're out. Let's take a look. Very, very cool gun. 6-shot revolver, standard barrel. We have the extended barrel as well. Take a look, it's on the website now.